Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, Ever Best Arabic Advisor. We have started the visit of learning the difference between the similar sounding Arabic letters. Today we are learning the difference between letter Ha and Ghain. Ha and Ghain are both heavy letters. Both are pronounced from the same point, but because of their heaviness and the same articulation point, they are mixed by the learners. So here we have some examples. So we practice it and understand the difference, and we should know how to pronounce the word. So we make a correct pronunciation and we read the correct word what we want to convey to other. So let's start from the first word is khabara. Khabara. It's khabara. Khabar, khabar. Khabar, khabar. Khabar is a news and khabar to pass. It's a noun and it's a verb. Khabar is a news and khabar to pass. So this is the difference because of the different letter. Second word is khair. Do practice with me if you really want to learn. Khair, 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 khair. Khair is goodness and khair is other. Khair, khair. The next word is khaybah, khaybah, and it's ghaibah, 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 from the upper throat. Ghaibah, ghaibah. If you really want to know the difference of the articulate point and the different things, do visit my site. On my site, I have give enough information about the letters, the articulation point, the difference, and then I give these words where you can see and practice it again. Here in video, you can pause and practice with me, and there you can find a hard copy, like a soft hard copy where you can see and practice. Hoiba, hoiba. Hoiba is disappointment. Disappointment. And hoiba is an absence when we are not present. Absence. The next word is khali and ghali. Khali, ghali. Khali is vacant, or you can say free, just like a vacant space. And ghali is expensive. Expensive. Khali, ghali. Khali, ghali. The last word is kharabah. Kharabah. It is gharabah. Gharabah. Kharabah is ruin when something is disturbed, and gharabah is strangeness. Strangeness. Kharabah, gharabah. Do practice these words. If you find any word difficult, comment me. I will try to reply to your comment. If you do not understand anything, and if anything is difficult for you, do comment me. I will make a new video for you so you can learn the Arabic with the correct pronunciation. Because without correct pronunciation, you may want to say something, you may want to tell something new, but just by mixing the letters, you may asking him to pass. The next person is confused. You are telling me something new, or are you asking me to pass? So this is the difference. So to make it clear, have to practice, follow my channel and visit my site. You will find all this information over here in the written statements. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.